Hey, I wanted to pop on and tell you about something that you're probably gonna need if you're a baker like me for the holiday season, and that is parchment paper. And you're like, yeah, duh, everybody has that. But there is a specific brand that I love that is pre-cut to fit my cookie sheets. I bought it off Amazon. I'll put the link in the comment section below. If you wanna see my other products that I love, you can also click the link in my bio to take you to my Amazon storefront. But I am gonna put the link to this specific product in the description or in the comment section below the video. And I'm gonna attach my review that I actually made on Amazon of this product. It is great. I mean, parchment paper is a must have, but this also is just great because I can reuse the same actual sheet several times before I have to get a new one. So I can get the most out of each sheet with this brand because it's extra strong. So check it out. Let me know if you love it or hate it, and check out the link in my bio. So I ordered these parchment paper pre-cut, the extra strong, and I love them. They are great. They really are nonstick. I make a lot of cookies, especially around the holidays, and so this is perfect. It fits on my cookie sheets absolutely wonderfully. You just pop the top here, and it comes out the top like that. It's so great. I even use them when I'm making my sourdough bread to kind of let the bread rest on there, the dough rest, and then I actually use it in the baking process for my sourdough as well. So these are absolutely wonderful. I use them so much. I highly recommend.